That was my 14th retreat, and it was the best by far in 20 years. And the women who came attracted to the message of Jamie. You all are so amazing, and I have never bonded with women in these retreats the way I did.
Sisterhood and vulnerability allowed us to all come together at the end, and everyone jumped into the water with me. I feel the most love coming from the sisterhood that we created, and in that moment, it was a bonding moment.
The feeling that has lasted for me is the feeling of holding that inner child, that warmth and the love, and that was such a moving experience for me. I really enjoyed that, and it stayed. So I do think that I'm a changed person. I'm very different than when I first started out at that retreat. And
I've learned even when I am, because it's not an even, when I am imperfect, I can still be of service to others. And so that's, yeah, it's really beautiful.
Not every conversation has to be in tears or in anger.
You have to notice the small things, that the message, the answer is in the small things.
Yes, life is still going to be lifing. It's not going to stop. But when we have people and tools like Jamie to lead us through things like this, it does help make it a little smoother for us.
It's like you ladies brought me back into my flow, and I appreciate that. I remembered who I was and what it felt like, and how to love that person, not this person everybody else is trying to get me to be.